Yeah. So, in previous session we were talking about the artificial intelligence. Now we are talking about the XMLA endpoint, read connected. So where we need to have XMLA endpoint. So some scenarios we might need to work with incremental refresh. So for that scenario, we'll be having XML endpoint. This can be enabled at the admin side, basically, if we can say. So for that also, this premium will work, but with the flow it doesn't work basically. So data flows also. Data flows, I think most of them you are aware of that. So what is data flow? Data flow is a kind of transformation. Transformation. So you can directly connect data sources from Power BI service. You can create, you can extract data, and data flows can store the data. So you can use those data flows in your report to build a bill. So for that also pro license you doesn't work. So when you are having a premium content, then only data flows will work. You can create data flows and you can store the data and you can use the data into reports. So if you see the same features will be governance and administration perspective. So you can see storage wise, you can 10 GB storage for as I said in normal workspaces, generic workspace. So we can call it a normal workspace or generic workspace. So without having premium, so that each workspace can support 10 GB, and then here in premium per user it's 100 TB, and premium for capacity it is 100 TB. It is also having 100 TB. So if you can see all this, bring your own key, all these are supported for the premium capacity. Here also you can see multi-go deployment management, all this there is deployment pipeline and all available. Those all are not available even for premium per user also, but premium per capacity is available. That's where everyone is using the premium per capacity, not only for the space wise, so for the all features which you can see here, from down to top all are enabled. So that's where, so you can use using that premium capacity. So if you can jump into other window. So yeah, we, as I discussed, will be having capacities P1, P2, P3. So if you are working on P1 capacity, it's basically supposed to be 25 GB. So in memory RAM size it will be giving 25 GB of your capacity. Then P2 it 50 GB. Then P3 it's a 75 or 100 GB basically. So the price will vary. So P1 we are seeing that 3 lakhs 58,000 something. So P2 it comes 7 lakhs 6.5 lakhs maybe. P3 it's more than 10 lakhs basically. So when you are working on that, so the size, whatever the size of your Power BI desktop should be under 3 limit. So under 3 limits, so that the performance cannot be impacted on the capacity level. So same way 6 GB level, and then P3 it would be on 10 GB, so that the capacity performance shouldn't be impacted and the other report shouldn't be failed. So that's where we can use these considerations of the one. So I'll give all this my documentation and the video in the description link. So if you can see here, so when you purchase the capacity, as I discussed, as I said, the capacities are P1, P2, P3, P4, P5. Up to P5 is there, but if any one of the organizations having huge number of revenue and all are working on that particular Power BI thing, they can go for P5. P5 in the sense in the lakhs, they used to pay in the lakhs. So we talked about embedded, right? So EM1, EM2, EM3, these are also there. Once you purchase the course, V course, so V course are also available here based on the capacity. So and then these are total V course and the back end V course. What are the back end V course and the front end V course are available. So you can see RAM. So while talking about P1, as I said, it's a 25 GB for P1 and 50 for P2 and 100 for P3. So this RAM supported. So and these are the time connection, live connection per second time, and then maximum memory for the query in GB. So 100 GB or 10 GB something based on that. So this is all about but these capacities and Power BI Pro license, embedded license, these all are Microsoft will give you an offer with along with different packages. If you purchase Office 365, sorry, if you can purchase Office 365, Office 365 also there will be some E1, E2, E3 packages were there. If you can purchase higher package like E2 up to I mean E2 and above, you will get a one pro license free. So that's where Microsoft also gives offers and this pro licenses free with that particular Microsoft Office 365 packages. That's where this Power BI Pro, Pro Trial, I mean Pro Trial, Pro, Power BI Premium, and Power BI Embedded, and Power BI Premium for user. So this is all about premium. Hope you enjoyed this video and you understand the video. And thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.